Are you looking for a cost-effective way to keep your car looking as good as new or to bring it back to its former glory? Then Dings, Dents and Trims have the solutions for you. Dings, Dents and Trims are a mobile service and can come to you at home, your workplace or anywhere convenient. Mobile technicians can repair your car on a while-you-wait basis and could have your car back to full use in as little as 30 minutes. All rates are competitive, so to find out more about what we can do for you, be sure to contact us today.